Good morning, students. How are you? I'm Sister Soumya from St. Joseph Academy. I'm teaching General Knowledge, Class 4th. Students, take the page numbers 32 to 34. The name of the chapter is How is Honey Made? In this lesson, we learn about life cycle of honeybee. We all know that honey comes from bees, but how do these little creatures make something so tasty? Come, let us see the honeybees at work. Students, there are 6 steps of honey production. First step, nectar collection. Workers bee collect nectar from flowers. Nectar is a sweet, watery liquid produced by flowers. The bee sucks nectar with its tongue, which is like a juice straw. This nectar is stored in the honeybee's stomach. Second step, nectar transfer. When the nectar is in the bee's stomach, it mixes with the enzymes, means special acids, that start changing it into honey. The bee then returns to the hive and passes it to the house bees by throwing it out of its stomach through its mouth in the honeycomb. Third step, changing nectar to thick honey. When nectar is collected, the water in it is high, about 60% to 80%. Once the nectar is in the hive, the water is reduced to 13% to 18%. This is done by many house bees fanning their wings near the bee hive. That is why a bee hive is always buzzing with bees. Next step, honey storage. When the water is reduced, the honey becomes thick and sticky. The honey cells are then capped. The bees cover each cell of honey with a thin beeswax cap. The role of the honey bee stops here. How do humans get this honey? Next step, honey extraction. Beekeepers remove honey from the hive when they know that the hive is full of honey. They do this by brushing and shaking bees from each comb. However, a beekeeper has to use various guards to protect himself from bee stings. Imagine 1,000 bees swarming at you. Next step, honey is packed. The honey so collected is then processed and packed in jars to be supplied to our homes. Next, info bites. Worker bees are female bees that do all the work in a bee colony. They also protect the bee hive. These are the bees that will sting you if they feel threatened. Next, we will see bee magic. Students, let's answer these simple questions orally. Name the sweet, watery liquid produced by flowers. Answer is nectar. Second one, there are 3 main types of bees in the hive: queen bee, drone bees, and worker bees. Whether this statement is true or false. Answer is true. A honeybee has 2 pairs of wings. True or false? Answer is true. Next, which type of bee in the bee colony dies after it stings an object? Answer is worker bee. Next one, if you keep honey over a long period of time, it spoils. True or false? Answer is false. Next, only the honey bee makes honey. Other type of bees do not make honey. True or false? Answer is false. Next, the only work of the queen bee is to lay eggs. True or false? Answer is true. Next one, with what do the honey bees cap the honey in the honey cells? Answer is bees' bags. Next one, honey bees eat honey more during the winter season. True or false? Answer is true. Next one, a single honey bee makes only 1/12 of a teaspoon of honey in its lifetime. True or false? Answer is true. Students, next page 34. Honey in your tummy. Honeybees have made honey for us, but let us make something more interesting with honey. Here is a quick recipe for a yummy snack. Try out this recipe, but with the help of an adult around you. Students, now let's learn to prepare honey butter popcorn. We need popcorn, honey and butter to make honey butter popcorn. Let's learn the method. In a saucepan, put butter and stir continuously till it is brown. Then reduce the heat and add honey. Mix both butter and honey. Now mix the popcorn so that they are well coated. Remove from heat. Let it cool a bit. Last, you can serve it like this or roll it into small balls. Enjoy the yummy honey butter popcorn. Students, listen carefully. How is honey good for your health? Honey is good for your blood. Next point, eating honey is better than eating sugar. Next, regular intake of honey makes your body active. Next, honey is a natural antiseptic. It can heal infections. Next, honey is an energy booster. It gives you energy as soon as you eat it. Honey helps in digesting food. It is good for your skin and hair. So, do eat this magic food every day for better health. Info bites. In recipes, TBSP means tablespoon and TSP means teaspoon. A tablespoon is bigger than a teaspoon. Children, kindly note down the lesson in your copy. Thank you, students.